Hello, my name is Alessio Bernardelli and I'm a Field Development Officer at NGFL Cymru. Today I'm going to show you how you can use some Wii-eChalk interactive games with a little bit of a twist and turning one of this into an interactive gun by using a sensor bar which I handmade myself and has basically two infrared emitting diodes, a switch to turn them on and off, and a battery. The first thing you need to do is to connect your Wiimote to the computer, and you do that by adding a Bluetooth device to your computer. It's pretty simple to do, and most laptops would have Bluetooth that allows you to connect your Wiimote directly to the laptop. You also need a little bit of software that you can easily download on the internet, and a little bit of code that you just copy and paste into this software, and then you're ready to go. Your mouse will be now controlled by the Wiimote, and the Wiimote will act as a gun. The first thing you want to do is to stick your sensor bar at the bottom of your screen and roundabout at the center of the interactive whiteboard or the screen. Then turn it on. I'm now connecting the Wiimote to the Bluetooth devices on the computer. As you can see, my computer has found the Bluetooth Wiimote and it's installing the drivers for the software. The two are paired up and we should be able to go. One final touch is to use software called GlovePie in order to allow my Wiimote to act as a mouse. Excellent! I've now connected my Wiimote to the computer, and as you can see I'm operating my computer, my mouse, with the Wii remote control. Now, it probably is better to stand a little bit further away so that the Wiimote can see the LEDs a little bit better. So, from our NGFL Cymru website, if you go on any of the key stage 2, 3, 4, etc. resources, and then on the side here you click on Wii-eChalk resources from the web links, and then yet again click on this web address. If you're in a school in Wales, you will be able to get access to the Wii-eChalk resources. So if we, for example, look at some of these English resources, and in the English language in particular, we can select one of these lovely shooting games where these words are bouncing all over the screen. I now have to choose how many questions I want for my quiz, and with my Wii remote control I will be able to select the correct answer. I'm now using my Wii remote control as a gun in this really exciting game. I should be a little bit further than this, but I just want to show you that it is my Wiimote that actually operates the mouse. These girls, I think it is. I got it right. It is. It's. Oh, I got it wrong. Fantastic. And as you can see, at the end of the game you've got an immediate score, an immediate feedback on how quick you were, how many penalties you got, and how many questions you answered right. This is a really fantastic resource that you can use to engage your children in interactive games, so they're learning, having fun, and without knowing that they're actually doing work. Thank you for listening, and a goodbye from NGFL Cymru.